mass spawning is one of the most critical biological events that happen here on the Great Barrier Reef. It's the primary way that many corals reproduce and regenerate. Once or twice a year, triggered by rising water temperatures, lunar cycles, and dazzling, multiple coral species synchronize their eggs and sperm release into the water column. This timing is essential. By spawning simultaneously, corals drastically enhance their chances of fertilization, while overwhelming predators that feed on these coral gametes. Mass spawning fuels an entire ecosystem. The sudden increase in organic material provides a burst of food for plankton, fish, and larger marine animals, creating a cascading effect through the food net. In simple terms, if coral spawning fails, reefs cannot renew themselves. If reefs cannot renew themselves, the entire ecosystem, from tiny reef fish, from turtles to sharks, begins to collapse. That's why coral spawning is not just a natural, fascinating spectacle. It is the foundation of reef survival.